Have you encountered the Roblox 503 bad gateway while you are using Roblox? In this guide, I provides you with some ways to solve the Roblox 503 bad gateway error. Try them one by one. Method 1. Restart your system. Whenever you get any game error, you should restart your computer. Restarting your PC will eliminate any temporary error which is occurring due to the old cookies and cache or the system's other software is clashing with your gaming software. All of these errors will be eradicated after a simple restart of the PC or any other platform you use. Method 2. Check Roblox server status. Before you try any of the other potential fixes below, you should begin this troubleshooting attempt by checking whether the game is currently in the middle of a server problem. You can verify the status of the Roblox servers by head over to the official Roblox status website, and see if there are any recent server issues. Or see if other users playing the game on the same platform as you are currently seeing the same error. If your investigation has revealed that the game developers are currently in the middle of mitigating server problems, just wait for a couple of hours before trying to launch the Roblox. In case this has not revealed any underlying server issue with the game, move down to the next method. Method 3. Check internet connection. That the main culprit causing such an error on your Roblox is your slow network connection. Therefore, without any second thought, check your internet connectivity. I also recommend Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi, because the Ethernet provides a stable connection, however the Wi-Fi might fail to provide a stable connection as Ethernet. Because if some of the mobile devices are connected with your Wi-Fi, then your internet speed might get unstable. On the other hand, if you use Ethernet, you will not face the unresponsive internet connection. Besides, you shall halt any downloads that might be hogging the bandwidth. If you have a slow or unstable connection, I also recommend try power off the device or system and networking equipment like a Wi-Fi extender, router, etc. Now, unplug the power cables of the devices from their power sources and wait for 5 minutes. Then power on the router after plugging back its power cable, and once the router is properly powered on, power on the device or system after plugging back their power cables. And as the process is finished, check if the issue was fixed. Method 4. Clear the browser cookies and cache. Web browsers have your browsing history, saved login information, and cookies from sites. When the cookie and cache expire, this will prevent you from entering the desired website page you are trying to access. So, it's best to try clearing cookies and cache to fix Roblox 503 bad gateway. Because if you don't clear cookies and cache, it will show the error again and again due to old data stuck in cookies. Method 5. Flush DNS. Press Windows key, then type CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now, type ipconfig, flush DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, register DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, release and press Enter. Type ipconfig, renew and press Enter. Final, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Restart your PC and check if the problem is fixed. Method 6. Try using DNS server. Press Windows key, then type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. Right-click your network is connected and select Properties. Enter your DNS server that you want to use. Reopen the game and check if the problem is fixed. Method 7. Update network driver. Navigate Device Manager. Expand the network adapters. Look for your driver that was installed. Right-click and choose Update, then follow the on-screen instructions to update. Method 8. Try with different network. I recommend you should try use a different network such as VPN, mobile data, neighbor's Wi-Fi network, etc. If this helps to solve your problem, then maybe the problem is with your network. You should factory reset your router, then try launcher the game again. If not, you should also contact your ISP for help.